This is about Minnesotan accents and how we really don't say a whole lot, but we say a whole lot. How ridiculous our conversations are. They don't make a lot of sense. How they don't mean anything. We worry about others. We add a lot of fluff. We act like we care. We don't even worry about ourselves. We're so concerned how ridiculous our Minnesota culture and accent really is when it applies to everyday conversations and how long and absurdly ridiculous they are. This is a concerned Minnesotan. Hi there, Pam. How's it going? Good to see ya. Good to see ya. Say, have you lost some weight? You're looking mighty thin. Oh, geez, with this weather here, we're getting 4 seasons in one day. It's just hard to get outside. Well, you wake up thinking it's winter and damn near noon you get that summer sun and here it's only April. You gotta get used to it though. Say, how are the kids doing? Oh, being a parent is just so interesting, isn't it though? Oh, they grow up so fast. Oh, shucks, seems like just yesterday we were on that Pee-wee squad together. Oh yeah, the boys are still playing hockey. Oh, the one, he's got a hell of a shot, and, when you need to move the puck up the ice, he can really do it. Well, they were talking, and they think he might go play juniors up north in Canada there. Speaking of which, I'm just thinking out loud here, but what are your plans for the 4th of July? Well, we should get all the kids together and take the boats out on the lake. Say, I've been meaning to ask you, how's your Uncle Bob doing? Well, the family's been asking me, and he is. Okay. Well, we were concerned, and we were just curious about how he was doing. Well, God bless, hon. So are you heading down to the potluck tonight? Oh yeah, I'll be there with my special hot dish. So. Say, funny story. I saw Dale the other day, and he was out in the yard doing what he usually does. So I headed down there. I had to give him a piece of my mind. So I says to him, I go, say, Dale. I says to him, Dale, yeah, that's about all I had for him. But I really laid into him. I let him have it. So. Well, it was nice chatting with you, Pam. It was great to hear from you, and hopefully we'll see you down at the potluck there. It's good to catch up. We're always so busy with the kids. They got hockey, karate, Chinese checkers, hockey, ballet, backgammon, lacrosse, church choir, hockey, soccer, and they go see the tutor every Tuesday. So we're just so busy. So well, I hate to hold you up. It was nice seeing you again there, Pam. So, yep, oh, all right, well, oh, bye-bye there.